Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my rendition of the Dollar Tree Glamorous Tablescape. Now, I wanted to quickly thank the host and the co-host. The host is Glamour Ellen. Now, if you're watching this on September 30th, then please go and wish Glamour Ellen a happy birthday because today is her birthday. Now, she has several co-hosts, and they are Styling with Stacy, Love My Babies Forever, myself, DIY Design by CCW, Inspired by Chanel, Shangie Living Life to the Fullest, Love is the Main Key, Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and the Queen of DIY. Now, please go and check all of the ladies' channels. They're all in my description box. I promise you won't regret it. Also, make sure you visit that playlist. Now, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button today. Tap that bell at least 2 times. If you see something in my content that you like, I'd love to have you join the family. So, like I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a good day or good night.